7th, the last one of the day. Let's do this. Whoa, look at this. One of the GXs. If we can get one of the GXs of the screen, that would be epic. We got an Ultra Ball, a Boldore, a Trainer Ball, a Rowlet, a Yondos, a Torkoal, a Litten, a Stuffle, a Aladdin. What is this?
Autoland Persian. Sharpedo.
Kind of looks like a shark to me.
Shark?
A Fire Energy.
Who's a shark?
Yeah. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and bye. You like the